How to unlock Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to unlock Facebook account. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first to have a working internet connection such as your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, since we will be using a web browser which requires an internet connection. So um, what I would like you to do is to open a Safari or Chrome or any web browser that you want. So open a web browser and then type in facebook.com/help. And then click on go or enter and then search for locked account, for example. So click on lock account and then go to the second option, which is my personal Facebook account is disabled or locked. So once you are right here, what I would like you to do is to go to this one right here, fix problems with logging in. So if you want to read all of this, you may also read it. So this article is very helpful, so you may read it thoroughly. So if you want to just fix the problem, go to fix problems and then wait for it to load. And then once it is done loading, go to facebook.com dot slash login slash identify. So right here. And then once you're right here, you may type in your mobile number or your email address. So if you don't want to type in your mobile number, simply click on search by your email or name instead right here. And then you may type in your email or your full name, click on search, and then it will ask you to open your for example, your text message or your email address, depending on the method that you have used, and then they will also send a link in which they will be you will be resetting your password. So that's it. That's how you can unlock Facebook account. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.